Hey hustlers, Miles here. I hope you're having a great day. If you're an Etsy seller who is trying to build a business on Etsy and you want to make sure the best way of doing it, in today's video we're going to be going over the top mistakes new Etsy sellers make so that you don't have to make them too. Let's get into it. So welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We're all about building successful brands online for more money, more freedom and a better future. And currently we're all working on building our Etsy stores up with print on demand. So if you need help with that, please subscribe. And quickly before I forget, if you're looking to build a successful Etsy store with print on demand products and you'd like some really in-depth knowledge about it, then make sure you check out my free 1 hour long masterclass. It shows you the exact steps and processes you need to take if you want to build a Etsy store with print on demand products that generates 5 or even 6 figures in yearly revenue. It's completely free. You can check it out through the link beneath this video. So I was inspired to do this video by someone who had recently got in touch with me, who just started on Etsy and they unfortunately weren't making any sales, okay? And when we dived a bit deeper into that store, I could instantly see 3 big mistakes this person has made, okay? So luckily these mistakes can be fixed when you know how to, but I wanted to share this video with you today so that hopefully you don't make the same mistakes too, okay? So let's go over the 3 mistakes that this particular person made, okay? So number 1, they built their whole store around that passion without any research. Number 2, they were throwing money at promoting listings and Google Shopping ads, and these weren't converting into sales. And number 3, they'd uploaded just a couple of listings, I think about 20, and then they hadn't uploaded anymore. Okay, so let's dive a little bit deeper into each of these 3 mistakes. So the first big mistake they made was they built a store entirely around an interest or passion without any research, okay? Unfortunately, this seller had built all their branding, all their products, and everything around one particular interest, and I could instantly see that they were limiting themselves to a very, very small audience, okay? This person had started something they loved and they thought that because they loved it, there'd be a market for it, okay? And unfortunately, when we did a bit more research, it started to become clear that there wasn't a lot of demand for this, okay? And not a lot of engagement either on Etsy. This meant that this seller had to rethink their store and adapt it so they could cater to different audiences and expand. Otherwise, they'd find it very, very difficult to make sales. It's absolutely vital when we start a business on Etsy that we have researched the audience and whether there's a market for what we want to sell. We can't just go into something because we're passionate about it, okay? There must be customers on Etsy who are also passionate for it, okay? So that's mistake number 1. Mistake number 2 is spending money on ads before you start making organic sales, okay? This is a no-go in my experience, and I've spoken about this before, okay? When you use advertising, what you're really doing is just amplifying your listings. You're just showing it to more people. And if your listings are not working organically and making sales, then just pumping a load of money at it and showing it to more people isn't going to suddenly fix anything or suddenly make these listings sell. Most of the time, people end up wasting loads of money, end up in minus money, wondering why Etsy's advertising doesn't work. Etsy's advertising is brilliant. It just won't work if your listings are not up to scratch to begin with. You want to think about ads as like the icing on the cake. Once you get something working organically, you've got proof that customers want your items, they convert, then you can use ads to supercharge this, okay? So don't run ads until you've made at least a couple of organic sales on your products. Lastly, mistake number 3 is that this seller, and I see this mistake a lot, just uploaded a few listings, okay, and then stopped, okay? This is a big mistake, okay? In order to start making sales as a new seller on Etsy, you need to be uploading consistently, you need to try new things and working this out regularly. When you're new on Etsy, the algorithm has no data on your store, how your buyers interact with it. Your job is to help this along, okay? So you can do this by adding new listings on a consistent basis and being prepared to test new listings and new things until you make the first sale. The hardest part with Etsy is making that first sale, okay? After that, you've got proof it works and you can go from there, okay? So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. And again, if you want to learn more about how to make more sales on Etsy without spending months and months trying to do it, and without making all of the, a lot of the mistakes a lot of people make, then make sure you check out my free 1 hour long masterclass, which will show you the exact steps and processes you need to take if you want to build an Etsy store that generates 5 or 6 figures in yearly revenue. Completely free. You can check it out through the link beneath this video. Again, please like and subscribe to the channel if you like this content, and let me know how you're getting on with your Etsy stores in the comment section below. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.